Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some French toast. A pretty basic recipe, but don't click off. It's going to be a good one. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, and let me show you how to make this pretty basic French toast recipe. So for French toast, you actually need a thicker slice of bread, so you can use, Texas toast like I am doing here, or just use any slice of bread that's thicker. So to a large bowl, add in your 2 eggs and your milk or your cream. I'm using milk, but you could definitely use cream. Add in your sugar, and then of course you're going to need a little bit of cinnamon. You could add nutmeg as well. Add a pinch of salt to bring out all the delicious flavors out. And of course, you're going to want to add some vanilla because vanilla is so good. And then whisk, whisk, whisk until everything is nicely combined. I'm using a whisk to whisk. So once everything is nicely combined, to a hot skillet, or in my case, a cast iron skillet, add in your butter. My butter was being a little bit stubborn. Let that butter melt. Add your bread to your egg mixture. Give it a flip on both sides, and then add that to your hot skillet. Cook it for a few minutes on one side, and then you want to flip it onto its next side or the other side. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't talk. Once your French toast is golden brown on both sides, take it off the skillet, add it to a plate, and then of course, I'm not going to be cooking only one slice on the skillet because that would take forever. So I'm going to be dipping a few slices of bread, adding them to my skillet. I did 3 right here just because, we're busy people. We got to get things done. So once it's golden brown on one side, flip it. And this side didn't look that done, but I promise you guys off camera, I cooked it. So make sure you cook it on both sides until they're lovely and golden brown on both sides. And here are my last 2 pieces. And as you can see, not a lot of egg mixture is left over. You could probably get one more French toast out of this, but if you guys see that your cinnamon or your nutmeg is kind of running low, make sure you sprinkle some on top because you do want some of that good stuff. So I went ahead and took off all of my French toast off of the skillet from cooking, and then you're ready to plate it. So you can add some strawberries, you can add some powdered sugar, make it look pretty, but make sure you guys are using good quality maple syrup. If you do, none of that cheap stuff, none of that stuff with corn syrup or high fructose corn syrup. I'm using this brand. It has a little bit of like bourbon infused stuff. Don't worry, it's not alcoholic. It's not gonna get you drunk or anything. It just has that flavor, but it's not alcoholic, okay? Okay, don't come after me. So make sure you add the lovely maple syrup on top of your French toast because this is going to make it so much better. So once you're done with that, you're ready to serve it up. So you can eat it, like a civil person, one slice at a time, like I was trying to do here, being civil and all. Or you can get a bunch of slices and stuff them into your mouth because they're delicious. Make sure you guys check out my recipe. It is in the video description. I love this French toast because it's rich, it's custardy, it has the warm fall flavors from the cinnamon and nutmeg if you add it. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, especially if you stuck around till the end, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!